How to use Threads Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about Threads and how you can use this incredible branch of Instagram to, just have the best social media experience out there because it's a brand new app, and as of its first week it almost has up to 100 million users, and that is absolutely wild. Like, it just started off, and for it to have so many users in the starting week, it's like out of this world. So this video will be mainly, highlighting on the informative points on, you know, threads and how we're going to enable ourselves to use this. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end to fully learn all the details and information about threads and how you can use it for yourself in a great way. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to start things off, let me first establish something that Threads is only present on your Android, iOS, basically your phones. It can be accessed on your laptop or desktop or PC yet. So you have to make sure that you have a phone to access it. So first of all, to start things off, we're going to come to Threads Instagrams to actually see its, proper introduction and what it's all basically about. So as we can see, Instagram introducing Threads, a new way to share with text. Now, before getting into the depth, let me do clear this out aside. Yes, Threads is a lot like Twitter, basically. Okay, it's almost as if it is Twitter because like it's the same format, same amount of things, same, layout, same types of like instead of tweets, it's threads. So, you know, it's if you've used Twitter, you will get along with threads just fine. Now, to move this ahead, we're gonna come down here, and as you can see, introducing threads, new way to share text, and these are some, example screenshots of threads and how threads actually works. You have your profile, the people can follow you, they can mention you, you can see your activity. As I said, a lot like Twitter. Now, the fun thing about threads is that if you already use Instagram and have an Instagram account, then you don't need to create a threads account. You can automatically log into threads with your Instagram, and it's like extremely easy to do so. So, yeah, basically, now to get into it, here are the takeaways of the Thread app. Threads is a brand new app. Okay. It is built by the Instagram team for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. You log in using your Insta account, okay, your Instagram account, and posts can be up to 500 characters long. It can include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. Now, that sounds obviously oddly familiar to Twitter because Twitter's also 500 characters long and everything. Now, they also say that we're working on threads soon being compatible with the open, interoperable social networks that people believe can actually shape the future of the internet. Now, as we can see, Mark Zuckerberg just announced the initial version of Threads, an app built by Instagram team for sharing with text, whether you are a creator or a casual poster. So basically, as we all know, Instagram is, mostly pictures and videos. Now, they wanted to do something which was only text. So obviously, whether you're a creator or casual poster, Thread offers a new separate space for real-time updates and public convos. We are working towards making threads compatible with the open, interoperable social networks that, people actually believe can shape the future. Instagram is where billions of people around the world connect over, basic photos and videos. Their vision with threads is to take what Instagram does best and expand that to text, creating a positive and creating space to express your ideas. Just like on Instagram, with threads, you can follow and connect with your friends and, more over creators who share your actual interests, including the people that you follow on Instagram and beyond. And you can use their existing suite of safety and user controls. Now, moving on, you can also join the conversation from Instagram. It's easy to get started with Threads. Simply use your Insta account to log in. Your Insta username and verification will carry over with the option to customize your profile specifically for Threads. And obviously, there's, a proper age group, and you can see your feed on Threads includes threads posted by people you follow and recommend content from new creators you haven't discovered yet. Posts can be up to 500 characters long and include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. You can easily share a Threads post to your Instagram story or share your post as a link on any other platform that you choose. You can also tune out the noise. The Threads is built like, tools to enable positive, productive conversations. You can control who can mention you or reply to you within Threads. Like on Instagram, you can add hidden words to filter out replies to your threads that contain specific words. You can also unfollow, block, restrict, or report a profile in Threads by tapping the three-dot menu, and any account that you blocked on Instagram will automatically be blocked on your Threads. And obviously, to unblock it, just do the vice versa. It's also compatible with interoperable networks, so soon you can see that they're planning to make Threads compatible with ActivityPub, the open social networking protocol established by the World Wide Web Consortium. The body responsible for the open standards that power the modern web, this would make Threads interoperable with other apps that also support the ActivityPub protocol, such as Mastodon and WordPress, allowing new types of connections that are simply not possible on most social apps today. Other platforms, including Tumblr, have shared plans to support the ActivityPub protocol in the future. And obviously, next we can see that they're expanding, we're rolling out Threads in more than 100 countries for iOS and Android, and people in those countries can download these apps from the App Store and Google Play Store. In addition to working toward making Thread compatible with Activity Protocol, soon we'll be adding a number of few features to help you continue to discover threads and creators that you're interested in, including improved recommendation and feed and a more robust search function that makes it easier to follow topics and trends in real time. So, as we can see, you have full control over Threads. It's an absolutely great junction that you have for yourself. And as we can see, it's on the main Instagram site. So we can see that it is a part of Instagram. Instagram's the founding father, and Threads, comes under it. So as we can see, pretty great and revolutionary stuff that has been introduced into the social media world nowadays. And, it's really good that these new things have started coming out because obviously the Twitter community got really toxic recently, as we all are aware. So it's a good change that Threads has been made. So, new users will appear on Thread. And obviously, let's hope for the best that those new users will be better than the former users that we can see on Twitter. So, yeah, that was basically all there is to discuss on Threads and how this new technology and social media handle works. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, then let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you great people next time. Goodbye.